In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color text in Card. If you want to give your site a little personality or improve readability, changing text color is a quick win. Let's walk through it from start to finish so you know exactly where everything lives and how to make confident choices. First, head to the Card website in your browser. On the home page, look for the Open Dashboard button and click it. That takes you straight to your projects. From there, choose the project you want to work on to open it in the editor. Inside the editor, click the text block you want to edit. You'll know it's selected when you see the editing panel pop up on the side and a highlight around the text. If your page has multiple text elements, make sure you click the exact one you intend to change so you don't adjust the wrong heading or paragraph. With the text block selected, switch to the Appearance tab. It's the one with the paintbrush icon. This is where Card keeps visual controls like fonts, sizing, spacing, and color. Find the Color section for the text and open the color picker. You'll see a palette and the sliders that let you fine-tune the shade. Pick the color you want by clicking directly on the palette or dragging the slider. If you already have brand colors, you can type or paste a hex code for precision, which helps keep your site consistent across pages. Subtle changes can make a big difference, so consider contrast while you choose. Light text on light backgrounds can be hard to read, and the same goes for dark on dark. A quick rule of thumb is to aim for strong contrast, especially for body text and important headings, so your content is accessible to more visitors. Take a moment to preview how the color looks across different parts of the text block. If your block includes links, buttons, or emphasized words, make sure the new color doesn't clash with those styles. If something feels off, nudge the hue a little warmer or cooler, or adjust the brightness until it complements your background. When you're happy with the result, click Done to confirm your choice. You'll see the change reflected on the canvas right away. If you ever change your mind, you can reopen the same controls and pick a new color just as easily. That's all there is to it. Open your dashboard, pick your project, select the text, head to Appearance, choose your color, and click Done. Simple, clear, and totally in your control. Thanks for watching, and enjoy giving your Card site a fresh, polished look with color.